A very good morning, my friends. This is Rohit, and I am again back to you with an introduction video. Seems strange, isn't it? I'm coming up with an introduction video after posting 3 or 4 videos. Yeah, if I would have thought in that direction as a viewer, I would have thought, why this guy is doing like that? But the intention was totally different. The intention was that always wanted to bring the videos in front of you so that you can relate it well in advance. It's kind of a prequel. The agenda of this entire channel is only to ensure not only learning of the soft skills, but you get it into your DNA, right? And that is what we want. We want you all to absorb it as much as possible so that you don't have to remember it as pointers 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is a soft skill that I have to adapt at this situation. This is a soft skill that I missed just now. No, it shouldn't be like that. You need to absorb it like you absorb water. Your body absorbs water, right? So you need to go into that direction. And how you would go into that direction is only when you would be able to relate in with the past experiences or what's coming up in future by imagination, right? So relate these soft skills that we would be talking about with your past, an event in your past, or with something that you can imagine for future, right? And this is how we would be taking it forward. With this thought, I would like to share with you a recent post that I saw in internet which talks about soft skills, and it mentions that soft skills are the new power skills. Even if you are weak in your hard skills, that can be groomed easily by doing theoretical sessions, by practicing. But with soft skills, it's something that some are God gifted, some you have to develop, and it takes a lot of time to get it into your DNA. That is the word I'm using again and again. Now, the survey outcome was 77% of employers believed that the soft skills are as important as hard skill. That was the outcome. Second was 67% of HR professional said that they would prefer to have a candidate good in soft skill. They are showing a high caliber in terms of soft skills. They would take them. They would hire them. And this is nothing that what I am saying. It's just a post. You can access that post through description. Then the second point was, at a global scale, it has been seen as per this post that 40% of organizations do not offer soft skills training. And now the era is changing. COVID is also responsible for this. The era is changing, and now the organizations are thinking giving soft skill training to the employees, and they can make use of it. They are making those platforms. The future of job reports suggest that there are 4 critical soft skills that would have edge over other soft skills going forward, right? And those 4 soft skills are creativity, people management, that goes hand in hand with leadership. Third is emotional intelligence, how you manage your emotion and how you also handle emotions of others. And fourth one is very important, which you should start practicing as you get time, is critical thinking. These 4 soft skills are gonna be booming soon. The industry of soft skill is gonna be booming soon. Please make a best out of this. Please learn and teach. And that's what I'm doing. I'm learning, teaching, and while teaching, I'm again learning. And that's my aim. That's my goal. If you see the description of my channel, I have mentioned clearly to learn by teaching. I'm not an expert, but what I would be bringing to you is all my experience in relation to reality, in relations to events which are happening across today, tomorrow. It would happen, or yesterday, which may have happened. So I would be just talking about that. If you see my series, I have spoken about Shadow of Your Personality, which was relevant to one of the incidents when I met one waiter. Second one was about India versus Australia Test Series, the learnings that we can get, the management lessons. Third is about management lessons from IPL auction, right? And there are many more that would come soon. And remember, effective communication is a top-notch skill that you should excel into, because even if you are very good in creative thinking, if you are very good in critical thinking, if you are very good in emotional quotient or intelligence, but if you don't know how I would put my word forward so that it would be best comprehended by my viewers or my students or whoever is listening to you, your audience, then this skill, the other skills take a sidestep. They remain somewhere hidden behind a curtain in the corner. So try to excel your communication skill. Once you are good at that, all these skills follow you. It would follow you. And with that thought, I would just like to give you 3 examples and then close my video. 3 examples are, doctors, they are very, very good in what they do, right? Surgeries, prescribing medicines, diagnosing the indications, what kind of indication you have. But imagine a doctor who is not empathetic. Imagine a doctor who is not approachable. Would you prefer to go to them? Like, you would just refrain yourself somewhere, right? Second, imagine a salesperson who is very disciplined, doing everything as the company wanted. But imagine he is lacking in interpersonal skills and problem-solving abilities and listening skills. Would he succeed that much? He is having good command in English. That's very good, very, very good. Excellent communication skills. But what if he is not able to have a good interpersonal relationship building skill and not good listening skills? Third one, imagine you have made a call to a customer service representative and wanted to resolve one issue that you are facing with your telecom service provider, and that lady or that guy says, "Sir, there is a problem going on, please hold on, it will get resolved." And what if they start the sentence saying that I apologize for the inconvenience that you are facing, our team is working on it, the estimated time to get it back is 3 hours. Even in this 3 hours is a definite time they have given. It is more, I know, maybe you are very busy with something, it is more, but still you would go for it, because you have made that person in your mind as someone whom you are willing to listen, because she has already apologized for the inconvenience. So with that thought, I am closing this video. Please hang around and please do visit, subscribe the channel, watch, comment what I could have covered more. I am willing to take that feedback, and do not forget to like, because that would just keep me motivated. Share with your peers. Thank you. Bye-bye.